Hello, today we will guide you through how to refund Facebook ads payment. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the exact path inside Meta's tools and share a few practical tips so you can submit a refund request clearly and efficiently. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct business and ad account and that you have the right permissions to manage billing. Being in the wrong business or using a profile without admin access can hide the options you need. From Business Suite, open Ads Manager. This is where your campaigns, reporting, and billing tools live. Once Ads Manager loads, look to the left-hand navigation and select Billing and Payments. This takes you to Meta's Billing Hub, where you can see charges, invoices, and payment activity. Next, go to Payment Settings. While the activity view shows what you were charged, Payment Settings is where Meta places account-level billing controls and, importantly, the option to reach support for billing issues, including refund requests. On the Payment Settings page, scroll down and look for a section labeled Get Support or Get Help. The exact wording and placement can change, but it's typically toward the bottom of the page. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're still viewing the intended ad account, then expand any collapsible sections on the page. Click Get Support. A Help panel or contact form will open. Choose the billing-related topic that best matches your situation, such as an unexpected charge, duplicate charge, or refund request. Selecting the most relevant category helps route your case to the right team faster. Now describe your issue in detail. Be clear, factual, and concise. Include the charge amount, the date it occurred, the ad account involved, and a brief explanation of why you believe a refund is warranted. If applicable, reference the invoice or transaction ID visible in your billing activity and mention any steps you already took to troubleshoot. Attach screenshots of the charge from your billing activity and, if helpful, a bank statement view with sensitive information redacted. A straightforward summary like requesting a refund for a charge posted on date for amount to ad account identifier due to reason works well. After completing the description, follow the on-screen prompts to submit. Depending on availability, you may see options like a contact form or real-time chat. Once submitted, keep the case confirmation for your records and watch for updates in your support inbox or email. Response times can vary, but providing complete, accurate details up front usually speeds things along. That's it. You've reached Meta support through Payment Settings to request a refund for your Facebook ads payment, and you're set to follow through with their guidance.